Welcome to EB5 Visa Guide channel. Today, we are going to teach you how to study the US Department of State's Visa Bulletin and how it affects your EB5 visa application process. Let's dive right in. What is the Visa Bulletin? The Visa Bulletin is published monthly by the US Department of State and it lists the current waiting times for different categories of immigrant visas, including EB5. It helps applicants track when they might be eligible to move forward with their visa processing based on their priority date and country of origin. Key components of the Visa Bulletin. The Visa Bulletin is divided into several key sections. We'll focus on a few important columns. Priority date. This is when your EB5 petition was filed. This date determines your place in line. Chargeability area, country. This represents your country of birth. The waiting times for some countries may be longer than others due to high demand for EB5 visas. Categories. For EB5, you're primarily looking at the current or final action date for the employment-based Category 5, EB5. How to read Visa Bulletin. Here's how to read the bulletin. Each month, check the final action date chart. This column shows the cutoff dates for visa issuance. Let's say you're from China, this may not be current due to the large number of EB5 applicants from there. If your priority date is earlier than the date listed, you can proceed with the next steps in your application. Current versus final action date. Sometimes the bulletin will show current under a category. This means no wait time and applications can proceed immediately. But if there's a date listed, like 1st April 2022, it means that only applications with a priority date earlier than that will be processed. Understanding the wait times. If your priority date is earlier than the final action date listed for your country, you're eligible to move forward with your visa process. For countries like India, Vietnam, and most others, the process can continue immediately. However, applicants from China will need to wait longer for their priority dates to become current. Tips on tracking the Visa Bulletin to avoid delays in your EB5 process. Here are some tips to navigate your EB5 process. Track your priority date regularly. Review the Visa Bulletin every month. Work closely with an experienced immigration attorney to prepare for the next steps as soon as your date becomes current. We hope this breakdown makes the Visa Bulletin clearer for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the EB5 Visa Guide for more detailed tips on the EB5 program. Have questions? Leave them in the comments below. We're here to help. Thank you.